What's up, everybody? Thank you for clicking in. Scrolling in here. Today we're working on a 2004 Nissan. This is a Titan pickup truck. Has that 5.6 liter iForce V8. Now, has developed one considerably large oil leak, and I want to show you a quick and easy way to fix this. I've taken the liberty to take it apart just a little bit so I can show you, make this a speedy video. But the tools necessary for the job: one oil filter wrench, a 7/8 socket or 22 millimeter, probably at least a 10-inch half-inch drive extension or whatever extension you have in that socket size. The bolt that holds it on, or the fastener, is this bad boy right here, and that's the end that you're going to be seeing when you take the oil filter off. And this is the ring that's going to fall out. That'll always be the problem. This is a known spot. And let me show you something real quick. So here's the engine oil cooler. It's at the very front. It mounts behind the oil filter. I've taken that big bolt off, and I've taken the liberty of an air hose and stuff, and I blew off a bunch of the oily residue and oily chunky chunks are already there. I'm going to take a wire brush and clean that surface really well, which it looks not bad at all right now. So we'll go ahead and just give it a good brush over, and then we'll put it up in there and we'll re-secure it. And what you'll normally see is it's funny, you'll do it when you park the vehicle. You'll shut it down, and when the seal cools off, the oil drains back and slowly drips down, and it'll leave you a nice little puddle on the floor right there, or on your concrete, or your gravel, or your whatever you've got for your driveway. And it just makes a big oily mess. I mean, there's other oil leaks on this motor as well, but nothing as bad as that one leak right there. That if you look up, you can even see that there's not a whole lot coming down the side of the block. A lot of this stuff that you see is just because of it blowing back. So thank you guys for clicking in, and I hope that this helps you fix your Nissan Titan truck. These are a lot of these on the road, and so this is I would recommend fixing this, because really what happens there is it takes a lot longer for the oil to pump back up to the top of the motor. And you'll notice if you fix this, you don't have the typical timing chain noises that these motors will make, because the oil kind of stays in the motor. It takes longer for it to drain back. So yeah, something to think about. Please like, subscribe, and share, and tell everybody what's going on. Appreciate it, guys. I'm out.